Happy 86 Day, guys and gals. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. It's been a hot minute. So, back in 2018, I picked up a one owner 1985 Toyota Corolla GTS hatchback. The owner parked it in 2005 because of rod knock. And fast forward 2018 when they decided to sell it because they were moving and couldn't take it with them. Since then, I've been talking about, oh, I'm going to get it running next year. Fast forward to 2024, it's still not running, but I do have the engine working on, start building on the engine. And so for that, I decided to go with the 7A block with the MRP Pro 7AG conversion kit. So without much further ado, here's my block. So it's a 7A block. It has DNJ one size over small port pistons. It has the MRP 7A rods, the main reinforcement caps, and ARP main studs. Here's the lower part of the upper part of the oil pan. This here is the small port head that has been ported and polished by our very own Dan Steinhardt. He does a lot of the head work for 4AGs, big port and small port. Some other things I've ordered for this engine is the silver top oil pump from Battle Garage. It's the ASIN, not the Toyota branded one, but ASIN as well. I've been ordering parts for this car since I got it, and I've forgotten some of the stuff that I've ordered for it. So back in 2019, I ordered a clutch master cylinder. Totally forgot that he was in the car. It's got some brand new hoses. I don't know if they're gonna be good because they've been inside the car in the hot sun. This is a water pump that I found inside the car when I got it. I don't know if it's the correct one for the rear-wheel drive 4AG setup. This is the T3 adapter for the intake to the cylinder head. This is the GSP small port piston fuel rail. I have the MRP water bypass piece. I've got the TRD head gasket. I've got a few other things, a Denso fuel pump. I believe a correct rear-wheel drive 4AG water pump. A couple of NGK spark plugs, oil filter. I don't think that is the correct timing belt because I'm going 7AG. This is just a generic 7A flywheel. Couldn't find a Lighten flywheel for it. From from Rock Auto, ARP head studs, and from Battle Garage, the correct timing belt for the 7A, as well as the broached sprocket. And I totally forgot this, but I have a friend named Chris who had a Corolla GTS, and when he got rid of it, he was also selling a few parts. So I totally forgot that this was in the car as well. But I believe this is the correct fuel sending unit for the GTS, the fuel injector, as well as another Corolla owner repair manual, and a Daichi distributor cap for the 4A GE head. So there you go, guys. I'm gonna try to work on the engine here after work, and on the weekends I'm gonna try, hopefully get it done, get it running, registered by the end of the year. So follow for updates. Peace.